The VW Golf Mk8 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. When your fob's range decreases or functions intermittently, it's likely time for a replacement. To begin, you'll need a new CR2032 battery and a plastic pry tool. A guitar pick works too. First, carefully insert the pry tool into the seam of the key fob to gently separate the two halves. Avoid using metal tools to prevent damage from electrostatic discharge. Once open, note the battery's orientation, positive side up. Use a non-conductive tool to remove the old battery and insert the new one. Ensure the case is snapped securely shut to maintain water resistance. That's it. Ensure the seals are intact to prevent water damage. Always double-check the battery orientation before closing the fob. The positive side should face up. If the physical key blade pops out during opening, reinsert it carefully to avoid damage. Be gentle to avoid scratching the fob case, as this can void your VW warranty. Consider recycling your old battery at a designated center, supporting eco-friendly practices. Cold weather can drain the battery faster, so monitor it in winter conditions. Future key fobs trend toward rechargeable and digital options. VW already offers NFC-based digital key features. Aftermarket fobs exist, but may not sync perfectly. If problems occur after replacement, consult your VW service center.